Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. As for me, I'm doing great. So guys, today I'm back with another interesting video. Yeah, I have a simple recipe. So in my menu today, I want to prepare lentils ama kamande, and I have these ingredients that I'm going to use. So I have coriander ama dania. I have grated carrots, I have onions, I have tomatoes, niko na bell pepper ama hoho, I have cooking oil, niko na grated garlic, and of course salt, and the lentils, kamande sasa. For these ones, I've already sorted them and I've washed them. So what is remaining, yapa nichemsha, or sijachemsha bado. And by the way guys, I prefer buying my groceries alafu nakuja nachemsha mwenyewe. So, because I have a pressure cooker, which I find it very easy to use and very fast. Yeah, so if you don't have it, you can use any method of boiling. Yani unaweza tumia jiko, unatumia gas, anything, as long as you boil them. Because for the lentils, they are very fast to cook. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how I'll boil them using a pressure cooker, but I'm not going to show you the whole procedure because I had done that video of using a pressure cooker. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave a link on the description box. You can watch the video, yeah, on how to use the pressure cooker. So let me begin with boiling them, then I'll come back and show you the procedure of how to prepare the lentils. To start the countdown, itaiva for 35 minutes. I know it's a lot, kuivisha kamande na 35 minutes, but I love them kazi zimeiva poa kabisa. So I'm just going to use the 35 minutes. Yeah. So let's wait for it to cook.
15 minutes later.
Nishawasha hii. So the first thing, acha niongeze mafuta yangu. As usual, huwa nataka mafuta yangu ikuwe moto kwanza, then I add in my onion. Food yangu ikiwa na onions mingi. Yeah. Baadaye kuna wenye wanapenda kupika na onions golden brown, but for this sitaki zikuwe hiyo golden. Nataka tu zikuwe ile zinaiva tu, because I need to add in my garlic. Na unajua garlic ukiweka huwa inaiva haraka sana, so sitaki kuweka sai because itaungua, and we don't want that. Yeah, so now let me add my garlic. The garlic haifai kuiva sana, inaivanga very fast, huh? Hey, inanukia aje. The aroma. Iko fiti sana. At this point now, you can add in I'll add in my onion, my tomato, sorry. Give it a stir. Na pia mnaweza tumia tomato paste au uko nayo. Hapo acha tuongeze black bell pepper, hoho. Na wenye hupenda ku add hoho baadaye, because they need the crunchiness of the hoho, but for me napenda ikiiva vizuri. So at this point now you can add in your spices, your preferred spices, but for me I'm not using any spice for now. And also I'm not going to add salt because nikichemsha kamande niliongeza ndani. So acha nikave iive kidogo. Fiti. Inakaa poa. Alafu napenda nyanya zangu zikiiva poa. Now naweza ongeza kamande. See the gadufu. I know some of you will say, oh, sijui hiyo soup ni mingi, sijui nini, but it depends with how you love it. So as for me, alafu hii maji, hii soup ni yenye niichemsha nayo, so it's very nutritious. Yeah. So by the way, kuna wenye wanapenda nini kamande bila soup nini, but for me I love it this way. Yeah. Kwanza hiyo maji yenye niichemsha nayo, it's very thick. Alafu nini, it's very nutritious. Yeah. Pia sisi ni wa central. Lazima gadufu kakue. Lazima soup ikue ndani. So hapa tutangoja ichemke tu kidogo cause hiyo maji iko fiti. Hiyo so then at this point now naweza ongeza carrots. The grated carrots. Najua kuna wenye wanapikanga differently, wanapenda carrots zao zikuweza kwanza na nyanya huko. But for me, I love them this way because I love the crunchiness of the carrots. That's why naziweka hapa here. So give it a stir. Yani soup ni thick hadi inaanza kushika huko chini. Oh, it looks yummy. Hada inakaa poa. Yes. Star kidogo, sitaki iungue huko chini because the soup is very thick. So tuifunike kidogo. Let me just cover it. Ichemke kidogo alafu to add dania. Yeah, and guys, by the way, please come and just subscribe kindly. Na kwa wenye to the returning subscribers, thanks so much for always supporting me. Na wapenda nyote, na kuna wenye wageni kwa hii channel, feel at home, karibuni sana. Na pia mkiwatch hii video, kindly like, comment, niambieni mnapikanga aje nini zenu kamande, because I know most of you have different ways on how to cook them, but that's my way. Hiyo nimeonyesha, it's the simplest. Yeah, it's very easy. Yes. Na kwa spices nimewambia you can use any spice that you want. Yeah. Very delicious. Mtafiti guys. Sasa tutaongeza dania. Let's add in our dania. Coriander, the way you love it. Dania, coriander. Inakaa poa. Niwaambia mwenye ako karibu, niwaambia kuja tuende tukule. Sijui hapo nje kuna mtu anameza tu mate, lakini you're most welcome. Yeah, you're most welcome. Tuonje tena kachumbi. Very sweet, delicious, and it's ready. Haitaji kuchemka sana. It's ready. Ready. Yeah. It looks yummy. Yeah, that's the easiest way to cook your kamande. Very easy. Yeah, so acha sasa tuzime. Kofiri imeiva iko poa. Yeah, so I'm done with that. It's very easy. So try my recipe. Yeah, na pia nimesema what the spices nimewambia, cause I've not used any spice for now, cause mtoto wangu atakula hiyo. Lazima ataonja hiyo, so sikutaka akule hizo spice. That's why I've not added it. Yeah, so guys, that's all. Yeah, very easy, so try that recipe guys.